if you have two parallel lines, then there's a couple of things you know right off the bat. For example, one of them is that this angle and this angle will be the same. Have you learned that? So let me just write down. These angles will be the same. You have to have two parallel lines with one intersecting for this to be true, though. Another rule was that these two angles add up to be 180. Did you learn that? Angles add to be 180. And the last thing I want to point out, let's use green, is that this angle and this angle will be the same. Does that ring a bell?
Yeah.
Okay. So given those, do you want to try again and figure out x plus y? So like we mentioned, this angle here, I don't know if you can notice, and this angle are the same. So that's a hint on how you can use this to determine x and y. If they are two parallel lines and then they're intersected, this 95 will be the same as this angle here. So this angle will be 95. And like I mentioned, you know how these pinks are the same? The one on the other side of that line will be the same too. So now you have x is equal to 95 from this angle. And then the one opposite from x, which is y, is also equal to 95. So then you have x and y is equal to 95, like you said. But it's basically using these rules, and you kind of have to see what information you get from what you have.